Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about gold. So gold has in the meantime done exactly what I expected here. Yeah, we have obviously we are in the bullish scenario at the moment. As I said to you before, the primary expectation is bullish. I made this my primary expectation when we broke out of this descending trend line to the upside, and I think when we moved all the way up to 1770 or something, because we moved a little bit too high for the bearish scenario. Yeah, and then we also reached here my target area in the wave 3. That is always a possible reversal area or a likely reversal area. We reversed in here. I told you in the last video that I do expect a wave 4 as a retracement, which happened. Yeah. The question is now, is this wave 4 already over? Personally, I think at the moment it is over. I have to assume that because we already broke above impulsively. We broke impulsively above this wave 3 high. But let's take a look. What is always important in a wave 4? In this wave 4 is important to reach at least the 23.6% fib level of the wave 3. And you can see that we actually reached this. Yeah. So let me just do that. Yeah, so the 23.6% fib level was at 1782. We reached it here. The wave 4 could have already been complete. I showed you though I believe in the previous video, I put that green area here on the chart, the area between 1768 and 1757, between the 38.2% fib level and the 50%. So the 38.2% fib level is always the most likely level for a wave 4. You can see that we reached that. Maybe we missed it by a couple of dollars or something, but in the end, in a volatile market, yeah, I would consider that reached anyway. We reached the minimum of the wave 4 anyway, so you can consider the wave 4 as complete, and we left this reversal area impulsively again to the upside. So at the moment, I do have to assume that the wave 4 is over as well, and that we would now move up in a wave 5. So now it's all about calculating the target for the wave 5. We can do that. So there is at the moment still a chance that we are coming down once more into this area. The only reason why I'm saying this is because we are coming down quite impulsively again. So it could very well be, could very well be that we have it, that we have the situation here. And this is a rare pattern, but it happens that this wave 4 actually is playing out as a flat pattern, an expanded flat, where you get an overshooting wave B and you come down very, very sharply. So I can at the moment not absolutely exclude this possibility, but primarily because we broke the previous wave 3 high, we have to focus on higher. But even in this scenario, to come once more into this area, it would also assume that at the latest here we reverse above the 1757 level, moving up in a wave 5. Now, what are the targets now for a wave 5? That we have the possible wave 4 low here on the chart. By the way, I need to adjust this because this counts as a valid 3-wave move here in the wave 4. At the moment, we can assume wave 4 is finished. But what would be that target now for the wave 5? Let's take a look. We can first of all use here the Fibonacci extensions of the wave 1. Now, and we can see that the target, the first target level that I'd be looking at is here the 2.382 fib extension at $1,848. And it could go all the way up to the 300%. So that's at 1884. Now I'm putting this target range now onto the chart here between the 2.382 to the 300%. Always with these target areas, always assume that sometimes, you might miss it by a percent or so. Yeah, they can sometimes reverse already before. So just be aware of that. And in this scenario, we would now have to assume primarily that we've already seen of this 5th wave, that we've already seen the wave 1. And we are probably coming down now in a wave 2. If this is the scenario, in this wave 2, we need to stay above 1769. Should we lose the 1769, I think we can come down to 1757. And only if we go below 1757, yeah, then it would really put a challenge. It would challenge this bullish scenario. But even then, we could count it as a 1-2, 1-2 setup. So So it would not immediately become a bearish scenario. It would only become, in my opinion, a bearish scenario again if we move into this green overall target range again. And this, bear in mind, this was the overall reversal area where I expected this overall correction of the gold price to finish. We reached it. We even touched in this target area one of my more specific targets, which was here 1680, and started a bullish movement from this low. Again, only if we get back into this range, I would consider that the low wasn't in. At the moment, I would give it a 60 to 65%, probably rather 60% probability that the low for gold was in and we can move higher. That bullish movement now would then, in the bullish scenario, take us above $2,000 and possibly all the way up to 2,500. But it will not happen in one move, in one straight line. There will be ups and downs, and as soon as we reach this area here, the green area up there that we just talked about, all of this movement, because this would then count as a larger impulsive wave, all of this movement will be corrected down in an ABC pattern once more. So yeah, just be aware of that. So hopefully you liked the update about gold. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then yeah, also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.